today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys some unique last minute Christmas gift ideas. This is in fact the end of the gift ideas roll. I hope you guys have enjoyed this little gift ideas series. I know you guys always love these videos, so I decided to give you all a little series of like different, you know, these are like some last minute, very unique, cool girl chic gift ideas. So let's get into it. First thing is a matchstick holder. I think those are so cute. Like, I've seen them like, especially as like room decor, like you don't actually have to like use them like very often. It's not something that you will use like every day, but like I think it's so cute as like room decor, like a piece of room decor, or like even like to actually hold like matchsticks so you can light your little candles. But I think they add such like a cute, unique vibe. An espresso martini candle, I've actually mentioned this in one of my previous where I did a cute little cool girl gift guide, and I think this is so cute. I actually have one on my Amazon storefront, so if y'all wanna go check that out, you can find a lot of these gift ideas that I do mention. Rode phone case, I think this is so tea, like the one that can hold the lip peptide in the back, you know what I'm talking about? I think it's just so cute. A personalized like cosmetic bag, either like with their name in a cute little design or their initial. I think this is such a cute gift. Any like luxury handbag, specifically croc print, I think is such a chic and timeless print. So this is the Lola croc print bag from Teddy Blake. I got this in this sort of like browny burgundy color, mahogany brown, and when I tell you I have been obsessed with her, I have been obsessed with her. It's luxury but without the luxury pricing, because we know they be crazy. But I think this would be such a cute gift to get someone who wants like that luxury feel, that chic girl energy, real Italian leather, okay? And you know how I know it's leather, bro? She has such like, and it's not a nasty smell though, because it's not a nasty smell, but you can smell the leather, you can smell the luxury, and it is literally massive. Like, yeah, depending on what size you get, but this is literally massive. Like, I could fit in there. I could fit in there. Like, and then inside it's got like this like suede material, which I really love. It's such good quality and has stood the stand of time because I've had it for a while. Like, my mom has stolen this bag from me a few times because it is literally so cute. I actually might give it to her, honestly. So Teddy Blake is actually having their biggest sale of the year yet, which is their Black Friday and Cyber Monday sale. So if you're thinking of getting this for anyone or adding it to your wish list, this is a perfect time to do so, because you are being a baddie on a budget. We are baddies on a budget. So if you're thinking of getting anything from Teddy Blake, make sure to use my code TPUNATI10 for money off. Thank you to Teddy Blake for sponsoring today's video, and let's get back into it.
Bitches in the spot, I throw the energy off. This that bag walk through, bad bitches walk through, spin your last.
Vinyl, if you know like someone who's super into music or super into like an artist, you could get them a vinyl of the artist. Like, I think that's such a unique and personalized gift. A striped robe, I think these are so cool girl, very chic, very cool girl, okay? Needlepoint pillow in like a very unique, cute design. I think it's so cute, like to decorate your bed with. Decorative pillows in general are so cute. The ring watch, like the watches that double as rings, I think this gives cool girl. Like, it's not only a ring, but it's a watch too. I can check the time on it, babe. But I think those are so cute. The oversized scrunchies, like if you're doing like a, especially like for like a low bun with the oversized scrunchies, it looks so chic. I don't know, something about it looks so cool to me. Any like lip kit, so like the Kylie lip kit. I know Tower 28 has some good lip kits. Fenty Beauty, obviously. Huda Beauty. Any lip kit for all my girlies who love to have their lip combos on. Like me, a lip kit would be an essential gift, okay? A tortoise. Why did I say tortoise? It's tortoise. A tortoise shell diffuser. And tortoise shell in general, I've always said, I feel like it's such a chic and classy print. My nails are actually tortoise shell. I don't know if you can tell properly. I don't know. But I think that's such a cute gift. And then ballet flats. these just are chic. Like, I don't, you could pair them with like jeans or a skirt. I just think they give like such like feminine, cutesy, chic. Okay, a funky scarf like the Acne Studio type scarves I think are really cute. I've always said this, but if you have like a really not bad outfit, but like a really chill outfit, like not too much, really basic outfit, if you put that like funky scarf, you just look cool immediately. It's something about it. Wireless charging tray, like, you know, like the charging trays where you can put them literally beside your bed and you can charge like multiple devices at once, but like it's wireless. That is so cool to me, and it doesn't like, it's very chic, like no wires, like we don't do that. And then next thing is a magazine subscription for any of my fashion girlies. Like a Vogue subscription would be such a good gift. A recipe book. Bag charm. I love my bag charm. I always show you guys this, but this is like the Coach bag charm dupe, obviously. But I think bag charms are so like cute. Tea kettle, because I know y'all Americans don't be having kettles. You be microwaving your water to make tea, babes. No, that's not how we do it. Comment down below if you do that, because babe, no. Get you a kettle, please. Why is that a gift? But some of y'all be needing that, so please, yeah. Sunny Angel, guys, I finally got a Sunny Angel. It's actually on my MacBook, which I don't have right now, but I love her sound. I think this is such like a cool girl gift idea to get. Like, obviously it's like a collectible. You can like display them in your room, or you can get the ones that you can put over your devices. Like, I've got one over my MacBook, or like you can do it on your phone case as well. Nextly is a Labubu. I know some people would appreciate this gift. I personally would not, because I do think they are ugly. I'm putting this as gift ideas, babe. I didn't say gift I would get. You feel me? So it's different, but I know some people would appreciate this as a gift. Bed tray, like especially if you are someone who is constantly working in bed like me, I need this, okay? Because sometimes I be like sitting wrong and like you're on your laptop, but like to have a bed tray keeps your posture upright, okay? Phone charm. I actually have a phone charm of Case 5, but I actually use it for my camera and I love it. AirPod, like an AirPod, if you know someone with like AirPod Maxes, or you could get them AirPod Maxes if you have the money for that, but like an AirPod Maxes case, I think that's so cute, because like they're quite like plain headphones, you know, so like the fact that you can like put little cases on them, I think is so cute to add your own personality or like a design to. A cinched duvet set from, not Amazon, from Urban Outfitters. These are very pricey for like duvet sets, but I want them so bad because they genuinely look so cute, and I think would level up your room by like 10 times. Okay, charm bracelet. I think this is so cute, and obviously something that they can like have not forever, but have for a very long time, and like add to it. I think that's so cute, and like add different charms for like different memories. I think that's such a cute idea. Clay magnets, you could actually make these yourself. Like, I think DIY gifts are very chic. Crochet them something if that's something you know how to do. Crochet a plushie or something like that. I think that would be so cute. Bookmarks, because hot girls have hobbies, and one of those hobbies could be reading, okay? A bookmark, making, okay? Making, because if you buy one, it's like art. Like, making a bookmark, I feel like it's so cute, and would be such a cute gift idea.
All I had is Promises, sweats.